Hello, Denis. It was a pleasure for me to meet you. I'm so curious, how was your experience for you at Sourceless?
Okay, it was a pleasure also. And my experience at Sourceless was quite a change. I learned new things. I learned about the people that work here and that they have devotement, loyalty for the company, and they are not doing it for the money. They are doing for the purpose of doing it. I learned about affiliate marketing, funnels and websites, and the power of the word. I learned how to express better the things that I want to say, and I saw another perspective of marketing.
What do you think about this technology, about blockchain, AI?
Blockchain is an innovative thing. I say that is the future, but also the AI. But in the AI, there are also some companies that are working right now. But in blockchain, there are not so many companies that are working. So there is more potential in Sourceless than other companies.
And about the ecosystem you saw these days here, what do you think?
The ecosystem is very good. Everything is interconnected, is on point. In the future, I think that everything will just set by himself.
Great. Thank you so much for your time, and I wish you all the best.
Thank you very much.